Manifestation is often seen as a slow and uncertain process, but what if you could accelerate it and achieve your desires faster than ever before? By tapping into a powerful technique designed to align your energy, thoughts, and actions, you can make the process of attracting what you want effortless and immediate. The year ahead holds immense potential for transformation. If you're ready to accept this method and apply it consistently, you'll see results faster than you ever thought possible. The first step to manifesting anything quickly is clarity. Many people struggle to manifest because their desires are vague or constantly changing. The universe responds to specific, clear intentions, so getting precise about what you want is essential. Take the time to identify exactly what you wish to manifest, whether it's financial abundance, love, health, or success. Begin by writing your desires down in detail. For example, don't just say, "I want more money." Be specific. "I want to earn $10,000 a month doing what I love." When you define your goal with this level of detail, you create a clear target for the universe to work with. Visualize your desires and include every small aspect, how it looks, feels, and how it will enhance your life. Precision in your desires also means identifying the why behind them. Why do you want this? Is it for freedom, security, joy, or growth? Understanding your motivations connects your desire to a deeper emotional level, which strengthens your energy. The more emotionally connected you are, the faster your manifestation will occur. Eliminate distractions or conflicting thoughts. If you're unsure or doubtful, you send mixed signals, slowing down the process. Clarify, commit, and focus your energy entirely on what you want. When your intention is crystal clear, the universe responds with speed and accuracy. Your thoughts and emotions play a crucial role in manifesting quickly. If you want to speed up your results, your thoughts, emotions, and energy must all be aligned with your desires. Misalignment, like worrying, doubting, or focusing on what's missing, creates resistance that slows down manifestation. Start by becoming aware of your thoughts. Are you constantly worrying or thinking about why your desires haven't shown up yet? If so, redirect those thoughts to ones that reflect trust and positivity. Think about your desires as if they're already happening. When you shift your mindset, you naturally align your energy with your goals. Equally important is how you feel. Emotions are energy in motion, and they amplify your vibration. If you feel excited, joyful, and grateful, you're raising your vibration to match your desires. On the other hand, negative emotions like frustration or impatience lower your energy and push your desires further away. Practice cultivating emotions that align with your goals. Imagine how achieving your desires would make you feel, whether it's happiness, freedom, or confidence, and bring those emotions into the present. The universe responds to the energy you emit, so staying emotionally aligned speeds up the process of manifestation. Visualization is a well-known manifestation tool, but when combined with the present moment, it becomes unstoppable. Most people visualize their desires as something out there in the future. The key to speeding up manifestation is to visualize as if it's happening right now. This tricks your mind and energy into believing that your desires are already yours. And to practice this, sit comfortably, close your eyes, and begin to visualize your goal in vivid detail. Imagine yourself living your desired reality, not tomorrow, not next week, but in this very moment. Feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude as though it's already happening. For example, if you're manifesting a dream job, see yourself at your desk talking to colleagues and receiving praise for your work. The present moment technique works because it aligns your energy with your desires instantly. Your subconscious mind doesn't differentiate between real and imagined experiences. By embodying the feelings and thoughts of having what you want now, you create a vibrational match to it. Consistency is key. Take a few minutes daily to engage in this practice. Over time, you'll notice shifts in your reality because the energy you're sending out has aligned aligned with the frequency of your desires. The universe responds quickly when you believe it's already yours. Resistance is one of the biggest obstacles to fast manifestation. It often shows up as doubt, fear, impatience, or the need to control how things unfold. When you cling tightly to the how and when, you block the natural flow of energy and delay the process. To manifest quickly, it's vital to release resistance and surrender control. Start by recognizing where resistance shows up in your life. Are you constantly checking for results, worrying about delays, or second-guessing yourself? These habits come from a place of lack and push your desires further away. Instead, shift into trust and allow the universe to work on your behalf. Letting go doesn't mean giving up on your goals. It means releasing the need to force outcomes. When you trust that the universe knows the best way to deliver your desires, you create space for miracles to happen. This state of surrender removes blocks and allows energy to flow freely. One effective way to release resistance is to focus on gratitude. When you're grateful for what you already have, you shift into a state of abundance and trust. This naturally raises your vibration and allows manifestation to happen faster. Let go, trust the process, and watch how quickly the universe responds. Affirmations are a powerful way to reprogram your subconscious mind and align it with your desires. The words you repeat to yourself shape your beliefs, energy, and reality. By using affirmations consistently, you shift your thoughts to match the vibration of what you want to manifest. Choose affirmations that reflect your desires as already fulfilled. For example, instead of saying, "I want success," affirm, "I am successful and opportunities flow to me easily." Speak these affirmations with confidence and emotion. Your mind responds more powerfully when you truly believe them. Repeat your affirmations daily, especially in the morning and before bed when your subconscious mind is most receptive. You can also write them down, say them aloud in front of a mirror, or listen to recordings of affirmations. The more you affirm positive truths, the more you override negative patterns and create new beliefs. Consistency is key. Over time, affirmations become ingrained in your subconscious, shifting your mindset and energy. When your beliefs align with your desires, manifestation becomes effortless and fast. Use this tool daily and watch your reality transform. Manifesting your desires quickly requires letting go of old thought patterns and beliefs that no longer serve you. These outdated mental habits often hold you back, creating a barrier between you and the life you want to attract. Many of these limiting beliefs come from past experiences, societal conditioning, or self-doubt, but they don't have to define your future. Start by identifying the beliefs that are keeping you stuck. For example, thoughts like, "I don't deserve success," "good things never happen to me," or "manifestation doesn't work," are signals that resistance is present. Write these limiting beliefs down and then challenge them with empowering thoughts. Replace negativity with affirmations like, "I am worthy of success, I attract amazing opportunities, and I trust the universe to provide for me." A helpful way to release old patterns is through forgiveness. Holding on to resentment or regret weighs down your energy and blocks new blessings from entering your life. Forgive yourself and others for past mistakes or challenges. Letting go of the past creates space for new opportunities to flow in effortlessly. Visualize yourself shedding these old patterns like a heavy coat. As you release them, you'll feel lighter, more open, and aligned with your desires. The faster you clear these mental and emotional blocks, the quicker you'll manifest the reality you want. Your beliefs shape your world, so choose empowering thoughts that lift you up. Gratitude is one of the fastest ways to raise your vibration and accelerate manifestation. When you focus on what you already have, you shift your energy from lack to abundance. This creates a powerful signal to the universe that you're ready to receive even more. Gratitude amplifies positive emotions and aligns your energy with the frequency of your desires. Start a daily gratitude practice to train your mind to focus on the good in your life. Take a few minutes every morning or evening to write down 3 to 5 things you're grateful for. These could be big accomplishments or small blessings. What matters is feeling genuine appreciation for them. Gratitude also allows you to see opportunities where you may have overlooked them. When you're thankful, your energy becomes magnetic and you naturally attract more positive experiences. And for example, if you're manifesting abundance, express gratitude for the money you already have, no matter how small. This mindset opens the door for more financial blessings. Extend your gratitude to the universe. Trust that your desires are already on their way and say, "Thank you for all the blessings coming into my life." When you feel grateful for what hasn't even manifested yet, you accelerate its arrival. Gratitude is the ultimate energy shifter, and it will keep you in alignment with what you want. Manifestation isn't just about thoughts and emotions, it also requires action. But not just any action. You need to take inspired action. This means moving forward in ways that feel aligned, exciting, and intuitive rather than forcing yourself into situations that don't resonate. Pay attention to nudges from your intuition. These might come as sudden ideas, gut feelings, or opportunities that cross your path. And for example, if you're manifesting a new job and feel inspired to reach out to someone in your network, act on it. When you align with the universe, it will present you with the next steps to take. Trust those signs. It's important to take small, consistent steps toward your desires. Even seemingly minor actions send a signal that you're ready to receive what you're manifesting. If you're looking to attract financial abundance, perhaps you feel inspired to learn a new skill, start a side business, or update your resume. The energy behind these actions accelerates your manifestation. Don't confuse action with overworking or struggling. Inspired action feels natural and exciting. It's not about forcing results, but allowing opportunities to flow to you. When you combine trust with intentional movement, the universe will meet you halfway and deliver your desires faster. One of the most important elements of manifesting quickly is trusting the timing of the universe. Sometimes people get impatient and start doubting whether their desires will ever arrive. This impatience creates resistance and slows down the process. Trusting the process means knowing that what you want is already on its way and will arrive at the perfect time. Impatience often comes from fear or lack of control. To overcome this, shift your focus from when it will happen to believing it will happen. Remind yourself that the universe works in mysterious ways, and even delays may be blessings in disguise. Everything happens for a reason, and the timing is always perfect for your growth and success. During this waiting period, continue to align your energy with your desires. Stay positive, practice gratitude, and keep taking inspired action. If doubts arise, use affirmations like, "I trust the timing of my life," or "The universe delivers everything to me at the perfect moment." These thoughts keep you in a state of trust and flow. Manifestation is not about forcing or chasing results. It's about allowing and trusting that your desires are already unfolding. When you release impatience and let go of the when, you speed up the process naturally and open yourself to receiving what you want. The energy you emit determines what you attract. To manifest quickly, it's essential to maintain a high vibration on a daily basis. High vibrational energy comes from joy, love, gratitude, and positivity, while low vibrations like fear, stress, or negativity can block your manifestations. Keeping your vibration elevated ensures that you're aligned with your desires. Start by focusing on activities that bring you joy and make you feel alive. Whether it's listening to music, spending time with loved ones, exercising, or pursuing hobbies, prioritize anything that uplifts your mood. When you're happy and relaxed, you naturally emit positive energy. Another way to maintain high vibrations is to be mindful of the people and environments you surround yourself with. Spend time with those who inspire and support you and avoid negativity where possible. Clean up your physical and mental space to invite in fresh, positive energy. Practice mindfulness and meditation to stay centered. These tools help you release stress and stay in a state of calm trust. A few minutes of deep breathing or quiet reflection can make a huge difference in shifting your energy. When you prioritize raising your vibration daily, you become a magnet for your desires, and manifestation happens effortlessly. Manifesting your desires doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. By clarifying your goals, aligning your energy, and trusting the process, you can create rapid shifts in your reality. These techniques allow you to work with the universe instead of against it, making your manifestations happen faster and with greater ease. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tools to help you create the life you want. You are powerful, and the universe is always supporting you. Trust, believe, and allow your desires to flow to you effortlessly.